Samsung USB connector connected disconnected. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve Samsung USB connector connected disconnected problems, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to solve Samsung USB connector connected disconnected problem, all you have to do is open up your settings application on Samsung, then go to about phone, software information, multiple tap on build number to enable developer options. If it asks you for a pin, go ahead and do that. Now from settings again, you'll find new option here that says developer options. Tap on developer options, simply scroll first and turn on USB debugging. Then keep scrolling down until you find an option that says default USB configuration and set this to charging phone only, because when you set this to any of the other options, it will give you that pop-up. Set it to charging phone only and this should definitely solve your problem. This way you can solve Samsung USB connector connected disconnected. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.